I think we have a bigger problem. Too damn much. One close. Two close. Three close. Four close. That full screen. I finally got it. But I'm gonna make sure to test it out. Hold up. I swear to fuck. It doesn't work, I'm gonna crash out. Go there. Go down. I still have it right here. Let's find out if it works or not. I'll copy, paste, and go. There, blah blah blah. This Microsoft save it right here. We're gonna find a amazing song. I swear to fuck, please work. Hold on. Jesus, are you listening right now? Please, make it work. Please work. Come on, I got. I should start it off. No, which one I pick? I love DLC songs, so the ending is Mommy Rod. I love good endings and all. Wait. This is exactly why. Anyway, we're gonna test it out. If it doesn't work, I might want to quit. I might want to not down this anymore. Check it works. Not that. Don't. Okay. Fine. Hit A, number A. Oh, it's number M. I hope I'm be okay. Okay. I help. Please work. Please work. Oh god, finally. Oh no. No. Oh, thank God. Thank you. I'm not gonna down the spray. I'm just gonna extract that. Select. I'm gonna set that one. Select. And fuck it. We're gonna go. Give it a. There already been that file. There already been a. Yep, it worked. We're gonna find out. We're gonna listen. I hope it works. Whoops. Wait. Isn't it on there? Audio clips. I check. Let's find out. Yep, you already been there. Now we're gonna open it and just once. Let's check.
friend Chalice too.
Huh. Pretty neat. Back. Right there. That song was definitely over crap. Okay, I'm not doing this break again because I might get to crash again. I tested out all of these and I tested out this one, it crashed. That one right there might be crash. Let's check. What do I do? We're doing that one. Yep. Install. That's fine now. M's for men. I don't know which one the right one. Yeah, that's that one. Wait, here, close it. My idiot brain. I forgot my idiot brain. I'm a dumbass. Yep, that one. I hope make me work. I hope. Tree's building a shrine. The tree's falling in the sky, man. The tree. Let's check. Already built. Cool. Yep. I call it. If I click it, it might be. Okay. The grand final is. Oh, shoot. I don't know. It might go to work or something. But. One or not. One or not. Let's find a better spray. Cool. I'm just gonna these and find a better one. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna crash out. Or nothing. Yo. It worked! Yes! Yes, I'm so. Okay, these are pretty big as hell. But I'm not gonna borrow that. I'm gonna borrow. And these are the levels, and these are the share assets. Which, I don't know what that means. 2006. I think it might be work right now. Hold up. Yep, it works. As you can see, these sprites are cool as hell. I might be in thumbnail. I think it's gonna crash. Sprites. filter. Those ones. It might be the same thing too. I'm gonna contract the sprite and yeah. I don't know how to remove that. Yeah, that's better. It might be taking forever to install that, but I won't get update.